Hey, what's up guys, it's Josh or Fusion here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Spotify files to download unreleased music onto your phone. As you can see, I have 159 unreleased songs loaded onto my phone here. If you guys watch until the end, you'll know how to do exactly the same. Now before we hop into the tutorial, real quick, if you guys haven't heard my new song, Money Up, this song is for everybody that wants to get their money up. The link will be in the description, and here's a little preview for you guys.
Let me show you how to spot a snake up in the line. Get your money up, get your money up,
So yeah, if you guys want to stream, it's on all platforms, links in the description like I said, and remember, get your money up. Alright guys, so the very first step of getting unreleased music from your computer onto your phone using Spotify files is going to be to actually get the unreleased songs. Also guys, if you haven't already, make sure you join my Discord server, FUZIONHERE Cord. I'm actually running a Discord Nitro giveaway. Once we reach 1,000 members inside the Discord server, you guys can see all updates about it in the giveaways channel. But this is the biggest reason you guys should join. I have a whole forum for unreleased music. Whether you want to post unreleased songs, or if you have a problem with one of the Spotify files videos, you can come here and post your own form, and you guys can help each other out. We have a ton of people on here that are active, so I'd love for you guys to join the community. Now for this example, I'm going to be using Yeat's 2093 Phase 3 album. If you guys don't know, he dropped 4 more songs on sort of like an exclusive $5 thing. But the issue is that I want to listen to these songs on my Spotify, not just like on my computer. So let's learn how to do that. As you guys can see, I have the 4 songs here, and as well as the album art in this folder. Now I forgot to mention this in the video, so I'm adding it in now afterwards. When you guys are editing the file details of the songs, make sure you don't have the song open in any music player. Make sure you don't have it open in Windows Media Player, make sure it isn't open in Spotify somehow, or anything on your computer. Because if you're currently playing the song, it doesn't let you change the file details. Now the first thing you guys want to do with these songs is select all of the songs at once that you're about to import onto your phone, and you want to right click on one of them, go to show more options, and then go to properties. This brings up a batch editor for all of the songs at once. Now you guys want to come over to details, and by the way, what we're doing right now is editing the metadata of the song to make sure that it plays well in Spotify. If you leave some of this stuff in here, it will make the song completely unplayable, and it will make the song grayed out when you go to play it inside of Spotify. So you want to come down to remove properties and personal information, and then you want to select remove the following properties from this file. Now you guys want to come through and remove any additional things in here that might mess up the song. So you can leave the title, the contributing artist, the album, but like down here where it says origin, if there's anything under publisher or this encoded by, you want to select this. Select anything additional in here that you might think will mess up the song. Now that you selected everything, you want to hit OK. There really wasn't a lot to remove on these songs, probably because they came from Yeat. But in a traditional unreleased song, people will have all sorts of things in that data that you have to remove, or it will mess up the song. You're not done yet though. You still need to go into each song individually and edit their properties, because each song that you download is going to have the security thing at the bottom that says this file came from another computer and might be blocked. So you want to select the unblock box right next to it and then hit apply. And then while you're in here, if you want to edit some things like the file name here, you can do that. I'm actually going to do that real quick. I think that looks way better. Now we're going to come over to details. I don't know about the genre. I think I'm going to remove the genre because that very possibly could mess up Spotify. I'm telling you guys, anything little like that will just completely mess it up. So if you guys missed what I did, I went into remove properties and personal information, removed the following, and I went down to genre, checked that, and then hit OK. Now the genre is out of the song. I'm just going to put in the album artist here, and then we're good on this part. We're going to hit OK, and now you're going to want to go and edit the rest of the songs, just like we did with that one. Gonna unblock it. Guys, I've figured out a way on how to download unreleased songs onto your Spotify only using your phone. If you guys want that video to drop, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and show a lot of love, and I'll release that video as well. I already know that I can do it because I did it on my phone. So now I gotta show you guys how to do it because you guys have asked me, how do I do this without a computer and only my phone? Well, I figured it out now. Alright, metadata is good. Unblock the third song. Let's remove that genre. All good. Unblock the last song, time passed. Moving that genre again. Alright, and now we're all set with setting up the metadata for the songs. At this point, you would be ready to import these into Spotify, but there's going to be one more thing I'm going to show you guys. If you want to set the album art for the songs, I know a lot of times there'll be no album art, it will just be blank, or it will have the wrong album art. I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. This will make sense in a second, but before we set the album art, we are actually going to have to move these songs to a place where we want to store them. I have a folder on my computer for Yeet songs under a rap folder. I'm going to move these there. I recommend you guys do the same thing. Find a place where you want to store the music files. Alright, so I'm going to paste the folder with the 2093 songs in the Yeet folder that I have. Now let's set the album art. You guys are going to want to open up Media Player, or it used to be called Groove Music on Windows 10. This is where we're able to set the album art, and you guys can't edit anything in the Media Player unless Media Player knows where to source the music from. So you guys want to come down to the settings in the bottom left here, and as you guys can see right up here at the top, Music Library Locations. If you do the little drop down arrow, it will show you where it's sourcing from currently. For me, it's sourcing from my unreleased rap folder. So now you guys want to add the folder where you just put your new songs. Now this will pop up that says folder suggestions. You guys want to come down to add another folder. Alright, I found my Yeet folder, select folder. Now it's checked in here. I don't know why it's all like dark mode blacked out. Now you want to hit add folders at the bottom. And now my Yeet folder is added into Media Player. You guys just want to hit refresh libraries right here below. This will make sure that all the songs are loaded in. Now we're going to come to Music Library over here on the left bar. And all 4 of the new songs are loaded in right here. So now what we can do is come to the 2093 Part 3 album inside of Media Player. And for you, if there was no album art here, we could then come to Edit Info. And then you click on the album art up here in the top right. And then select the album art image from your computer. We want to hit Open. Now the album is updated with the album art that you want, and it should look perfect when you import it into Spotify. Alright guys, now you want to open up Spotify on your computer. Once it's opened up, we're going to want to come to the top left to these 3 dots up here. Go down to Edit, Preferences, and now if we scroll down a little bit, it says your library show local files. You want to check this. And now just like Media Player, we have where it indexes the songs from. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Yeet folder on here. You're going to want to click add a source. Alright, I just finished adding the folders that I want to source my unreleased music from. Now you guys want to come into your library. And if you guys haven't followed my 2024 playlist, it's dedicated to Kobe. His jersey number was 24. RIP Kobe. I just thought it was the right thing to do. 2024, 24 for Kobe. You guys should definitely go follow my playlist though. It's 50 hours and 32 minutes of bangers. You guys can find me on Spotify under the name FUZIONHERE. Now you guys are going to want to search in your library for local files. Should come right up, local files. And now just search for your new songs. So now you guys are going to want to add these songs to a playlist so that you can listen to them on your phone. I'm going to just shift and click on all 4 of these songs and then right click, add to a playlist. I actually made a playlist called 2093 Complete, so I'm going to add the songs to that. Now there's one more thing we got to do before we hop over on the phone and get the songs on there. You guys are going to want to clear out of your search of local files, and we're going to want to go onto the new playlist we just created with the new songs in it. As you guys can see, 28 songs, 2093 Complete. This is the complete album. Looks great. You guys are going to want to download the playlist. For some reason, I noticed that you need to have the playlist downloaded on your computer, and then as well as I'm going to show you guys on your phone. This just makes it work, trust me. Alright guys, now that you're on your phone, you're going to want to open up Spotify. You're going to want to tap your profile picture in the top left. Go to Settings and Privacy. Now you guys want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you guys can see local files. Show audio files from this device, add tracks from this device into your library. You're going to want to check this box right here. Now we can come back to our library. Now you want to make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as your computer. If we come down to 2093 Complete, in theory, the songs should be loaded onto here. Let's scroll down. Alright, and they're grayed out, so let's see how to fix that. We're gonna scroll up, and if we download the playlist, instantly the album art changed, and now all the songs are on here. It's almost like I've made 4 videos on this already. Because it definitely works. Now I'm able to play the 2093 Part 3 songs on my phone. Just remember, you have to have local files on your phone, and you have to download the playlist, and you should be all good. Alright guys, so that's been how to download unreleased songs onto your phone using Spotify files. Now remember, I can make that video on how to download unreleased songs just using your phone onto Spotify files. If this video gets a lot of support on it, I will drop that video. So make sure you guys drop a like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss when that video comes out. As well as maybe turn on post notifications, that helps a lot. And leave a comment down below letting me know if this video helped you out, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped. I love you, thank you for watching. This has been Josh Fusion here, and I'll see you in the next one. I spent $250,000. I spent $250,000.